So the review and unpacking of the Parkside Precision Bit Set. So let's do the unpacking. Needs more. Bit more. There we go. Yes. There we are. So we have quite a range of small bits, precision bits. We got the screwdriver handle, obviously, and we have tweezers here. Some tweezers. Very sharp tweezers there. Then we have a demagnetizer for the bits. I went for this one because it's got a demagnetizer accessory for the bits here, and we can demagnetize. What's this? So that's how you probably use it, for demagnetizing bits when they get magnetized. Otherwise it's annoying when you're picking up or working with some screws, steel screws, and they get magnetized. So yeah, this is how you swap the bits. Small Phillips type screw bit. A nice swivel bit here, swivel head. I like that, anodized metal. Holes here to put some sort of a bar through these two holes, so you can press and turn if it's a tight screw. But a lovely grip on here, look, knurled, lovely knurling. I like it when it's a good knurling that's been done on a tool. Very nice. Good weight to it as well. Not plastic, it's alloy metal. So let's have a look on a watch. Undo screws on the back of a watch. Okay, so we have a watch here, albeit it's a talking watch, but that doesn't matter. It's the screws we need to take off the back of this, and we've got the Parkside tool screw bit holder. We're using a small Phillips type. There we go. Nice, good grip on this tool. Lovely grip on the tool, and you can have a good purchase on the actual screw head over the screw bit. There we go. Beautiful. Anti-clockwise over there. We're taking it off, not putting it back on. Just one sec. Grab the actual tweezer, Parkside tweezer, to take out the screws. Careful. Needs a bit more unscrewing. Is about, yeah, there we go. Handy to keep one of these kind of tubs for the screws, then you don't lose them. Yeah, for a screw. And we have the other ones here. Needs more unscrewing on these. Another one. Okay, so let's take this one. There we go. Two. And the third one here. There we are, all removed. Now I need to just change the battery in this and move away. But in any case, let's save this tub, screw it up so the screws don't get lost. So yeah, a great tool. Handy tweezers as well. Yes, 100% good. These are marked as well. Yes, 000. You can see that there. Phillips 000. Just about make it out on the camera. So they're useful too. So there you are, the Parkside Precision Screwdriver set with tweezers and bit hold. Great set. Thank you for watching.